Yemtaka tata. Hinyanam. Yemchanam. Yemalume wam. Yebhuti wami. Ndifuna ufika apha ngalo mzuzu undimamele. Ndifuna uthetha nawe. Uze ubuntluruze nje ubunxenxushele utywala ngenxa yokuba ushiyiwe wena ngoba usenamali. Kwenze njani? Masike siyithethe le nto mntasekhaya. Kunale nto ndihlala ndiyitsho maxesha onke uba uzawufundekela wena usirasela ukuthi he lo mntana loyana yi-gold digger, he ungenze kabi, he manje uma ngingasenamali sekayangishiya. The question is, did you tell her who you are? Did you tell her your intentions? Did you tell her what you were expecting? Did you tell her how you feel about her? Ngoba kaloku nina abantwana basekhaya, I'm talking to men. I'm talking to men. Nina problem yokuthi when you meet someone, when you approach someone, you never tell her who you are. You never tell them how you feel about them and what are you expecting and your intentions and all that. Nihlala nisitshela the way you can take care of me. Nihlala ni good ngokuthi nisho ukuthi mina ngizokuphatha kahle, mina nginani. Are you aware by doing that at that moment when kahle you inviting me ukuthi vele ngizodla lezo zinto zakho? So maziphelile ngisahlaleleni. And then uhambe uyongibiza ngegold digger. Awukazi ungitshele mina ukuthi ubani? Awukazi wangitshela ukuthi uthandani? Awukazi wangitshela ukuthi ufunani? Awukazi wangitshela nokuthi uzizwa njani ngami? But here you are now, masengizile mina ngizodla lezi zinto wena wawungimemele zona so yangishiya. So I mean uyangijudge uthi mina ngigold digger sengikushiyile phela manje ngoba izinto bengizele zona azisekho. Anibuyeleni emuva guys. Cela nisheleni. Sisheleni isidala, sisheleni lanto yakudala. So nithembisa mina ngishaye ngamathada if you have to do something for me. But definitely if you came into my life and then you told me what are you capable of and what are you going to do for me, definitely I'm going to stay because of those things. Ngicela ungabi ngumuntu ombike kuwe ngomso when I leave because of I came for those things because you invited me for those things. Yini into engwrong ngayo mina mangihlalele izinto wena ongibizele zona? Yini into engwrong ngayo mina mangizele wena izinto onginunuse ngazo like a bone? Nginja mina nginunusa ngethambo. Right now ukuze ukhona ukulala ufuna ugoloko wena ukuze ulale manje sewufuna amantombazana ozobenza ama rebound because of uhethwe umuntu wena that you really wanted to keep them and your intentions were pure, but the question was, did you mention your intentions? Celeni kuba ngamagwala guys, sheleni challengeni. And another thing engicelayo kini guys, get into those uncomfortable topics. Understand the person you were with ukuthi yena life inozimiseleni unani. Guys, getting into someone's life that you might end up marrying them, you need to understand their financial state. Because mawushade naye lo muntu lo, if i-financial state yakhe ibad, izo affecta neyakho. What's wrong with asking someone what do you do for a living? The most sensitive topic. Bantasekhaya, shelani abantu. Shelani. Yekani ukufika uflonte ukuthi wena unani, wena ubani ugabhadia, wena udume ngani, uzongenzelani. Kushiya vele mina. Ayinizokushiya zisophela mntakatata, ndifuna ukuxelela ngonza kushiya. Ngoba nguwe kaloku ubundixelele ngezo zinto eziba mandize mandizozitya. So ndihlalele ntoni? Hayibo.